students, last day we have discussed about the tropical evergreen forest and some important features, and today we will discuss a new type of forest, that is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are mostly found in a large area of Indian subcontinent, and mostly the northern plain, the Peninsular Plateau region, and it occupies the large area of India's total land mass. The most important feature of these tropical deciduous forest is that these trees shed their leaves in a particular season within week or within some days. ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट को पतझड़ वाले पेड़ कहते हैं। ये पतझड़ वाले पेड़ एक पर्टिकुलर सीज़न में कुछ ही दिनों के अंदर या कुछ ही सप्ताह में अपनी सारी पत्तियां एक साथ गिरा देते हैं और इसके बाद ये लीफलेस हो जाते हैं, इनमें पत्तियां नहीं रह जाती हैं। उसके बाद धीरे धीरे नई पत्तियां निकलती हैं और फिर से पूरा पेड़ हरा भरा हो जाता है। तो ये इनका एक स्पेशल फीचर है ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट का, कि ये अपनी पत्तियां एक साथ गिरा देते हैं। द famous and important trees in the tropical deciduous forest, which are especially found in the northern plain area and in your region also. You can see these forests includes aam, neem, peepal, mahua, ashok, sesam, and so many other trees which you can see inside you or your village town area. A large number of the wildlife is also found in these forests, especially the monkeys, lion, tiger, wolf, hyenas, and so many other insects and birds. According to the temperature and presence of moisture, the tropical deciduous forests are again divided into two parts: moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. Now the next category of the forest is thorn forest or scrubs. Tropical thorn forest or scrubs. इनको हम लोग रेगिस्तानी वनस्पति या फिर कटीले वन और झाड़ियों में काउंट करते हैं। These forests are mostly found in the desert area of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and the neighboring states like Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and part of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Maharashtra, as well as many other states of the Peninsular Plateau region. And the forests or trees which are included in this, mostly babool, cactus, and many other trees and plants which have some needle shaped leaves and the long roots and a very thick stem containing the large quantity of water. The animals which are found in these areas, especially the rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wilderness, horses, and camels. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize the evaporation.